welcome back to the vlog, welcome back to the channel. You see we've got a Porsche Carrera behind me. We're going to redo the OEM Rockguards on the quarters. Instead of using paint protection film, we're going to use black vinyl. We're going to steam them off. Steamer. Big difference. SUNguard did its job. There's different ways of pulling this. As you can see, when I first picked this up, it left adhesive because I pulled straight out. You don't want to pull straight off the car. We want to pull at an angle, even with the car, low energy. So we're going to pull with the car, with the surface, at a low angle. Did its job. It's ugly. Now we're going to replace that either with clear bra or a piece of vinyl. In this case today, vinyl. By steaming these off, it made it really simple for us. No glue, minimal adhesive. All we have to do is give it an alcohol bath and stick our new pattern. Alright, so what we're doing today, we are putting clear bra on the headlights of this Porsche 911. You're going to need isopropyl alcohol, towel, soap solution, fresh water, and a squeegee. Alcohol on the headlights. Now this car's already been washed. All we have to do is degrease for our prep. You're going to take your soapy solution, spray the headlight down thoroughly. Today, we're using Expel Ultimate Plus. Going to peel our vacuum paper, spray it down. Now I'm using my soap solution first. Lay the pattern on. What this is called is bulking the headlights. We're using a big piece, bigger than our pattern, and stretching it into place. On these in particular, I like to start at the top. Use my fresh water. Now, you stretch it straight down and out, both directions. Tacking it at the bottom. Now, the reason I use fresh water is so it will tack up. I don't use any alcohol as part of my tack. Even though films say you can use it, I just choose not to. Now we're going to pull our sides, get rid of all the fingers. And again, using my fresh water solution. Doing the same thing on this side. Plain water, help tack up the edges. Now what I am going to do before I go and trim and do all my final squeegeeing is fresh water all the way around the edges. Get rid of, flush out all of the soap. We'll let that tack up. We'll come back in a few minutes. We'll trim it out. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to check that it's not sliding around on the edge, it's tacked up. We've waited about 15 minutes since we've flushed all the edges since we hung this. Now we're going to go ahead and trim it out. Always starting with a fresh blade, clicking them off every half a headlight. And you're not actually cutting through the paint protection film, we're just scoring it. Today we're tinting a set of taillights. Items needed: film, S-Tech, Dino Shade, towel squeegee, isopropyl alcohol, water and soap solution, and a bottle of fresh clean water. Start by cleaning your taillights. Now we're done with the alcohol. That's all you need it for prepping. Go ahead, soap solution, go ahead and peel your material. Using your soap solution again, get it squared up. Now you're going to take your fresh water, tack it down on one side, one end, spray the outside with your soap water, and then squeegee. Starting at one side. Now we're going to pull all these fingers that way. We're pulling all of our stretch in this area. So this is neutral. Soap water on the outside so your squeegee glides. We're going to flush it with fresh water. It's going to help tack up our edges. So when we come back and trim, they're not sliding around. Wipe your work area down. We're going to let this tack up for about 15 minutes, and then we'll come back and trim it. Alright, that's going to conclude our little Porsche install. Expel Ultimate Plus on the headlights, S-Tech Dino Shade on the rear taillights. Both came out really nice. Don't forget, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks.